Fourth of our introductory videos to algebra, nice and simple topic again, higher and foundation. Though all the questions on the board could appear on a foundation paper. All of them could. And all of them could appear on a higher paper. Now, when you're expanding double brackets, we're talking about brackets that are directly next to each other. There's nothing in between, apart from something that's invisible. The invisible thing that's in between is a multiplication sign. But it's not like the video we just looked at, where you've got single brackets that are separate. Okay? We're talking about double brackets, side by side, bumper to bumper, and that means you're multiplying out the brackets. So, what we do here, you need to look, the simple ones only have single x's, or single p's, or single letters. The more difficult ones start with things like 2x, or 3x, or 3t, or 5t. And those are the ones you need to be more careful with. You then get 4 different things they could write. Sometimes there's a positive in each bracket, and they're the easiest because there's no negative numbers to deal with. Sometimes you get one of them positive, one of them negative. That's, I would argue, one of the most dangerous ones, because you're going to have to multiply negative numbers and add and subtract negative numbers. There's 2 opportunities to go wrong with negative numbers. I guess with both negative, you also run the risk because you're going to be dealing with negative numbers again. And the ones to beware of are the ones that are written like this at the end, because you automatically want to write x squared plus 49. And it's not. So, good news, every single question on the board, we apply exactly the same technique, but with care and attention. So, this is how we can multiply the brackets. We can do this x times x is x squared. And then we can do x times 8 is plus 8x. Now we go for the 3. Plus 3 times x is plus 3x. Plus 3 times plus 8 is plus 24. And if you get 3 out of 4 of those bits, they're called terms, but 3 out of 4 of these bits correct, you will get 1 mark in an exam, even if you made one little mistake. If you want full marks, you need to do the next thing. You collect the like terms. It's these bits in the middle, the x's, that we need to collect. We still have an x squared, we still have a plus 24, but we need to deal with plus 8x plus 3x, so plus 11x. And that's how it works. If you apply the same principle here, let's see what we get. P times P, P squared. Apologies about the pen. P times minus 5, be careful, we get minus 5p. Plus 2 times P, plus 2p. And plus 2 times minus 5, we get minus 10. We've got to be careful there multiplying positives and negatives. Really careful. Now we collect like terms. We've got the p squared, we've got the minus 10, it's the bit in the middle we tidy up. We've got minus 5 plus 2. So it's going from negative 5 up 2 places, up the number line, to negative 3. So minus 3p. Again, just be careful with your negatives. Multiplying them or adding and subtracting them. It's always dangerous. On to the next one. This time we've got a pair of negatives. Just be careful. T times t gives us t squared. T times minus 7, minus 7t. Minus 4 times t, minus 4t. And minus 4 times minus 7 gives us plus 28. As before, it's the middle bit we need to tidy up. We still have a t squared, we still have a plus 28. In the middle, minus 7, minus 4. So we're starting at negative 7 on a number line, going down 4 places to negative 11. Just got to be careful. And the final column here, the beware, an exam question could be written as x plus 7 all squared. But what it really means is this, x plus 7x plus 7. And the moment you rewrite it is the moment you don't get it wrong. The moment you rewrite it. Because now you can expand the brackets as normal. X squared plus 7x plus 7x plus 49. So x squared plus 14x plus 49. You need to be really careful that you rewrite it. So there you have 4 slightly different questions, all using the same technique. If you want to pause the video, have a go at the bottom questions, see how you get on, feel free. If not, we're going to carry on with them. So, I know, it's like Maths Watch, but better. So, on to the first ones. Welcome back if you've just paused. Let's look at these. Same principle every time. We do the 2x times the 3x, 6x squared. The 2x times the plus 4, plus 8x. The plus 3 times the 3x, plus 9x. The plus 3 times the plus 4 gives us plus 12. It's the middle parts we need to tidy up. We still have 6x squared. We still have plus 12. In the middle, it's plus 8, plus 9, which is plus 17 x's. Nice and simple. On to the second. Again, the same process. 3p times p, 3p squared. 3p times minus 5 minus 15p. Second half of this. Plus 2 times p plus 2p plus 2 times minus 5 minus 10. It is the bit in the middle we need to tidy up. We still have the 3p squared. We still have the minus 10. The bit in the middle, be careful. Minus 15 plus 2. On the number line, you're at negative 15. You move up 2 places to negative 13. Just the negative numbers that are the most dangerous part. Third, the penultimate question here. 3t times 5t is 15t squared. 3t times minus 4 is minus 12t. Minus 2 times 5t is minus 10t. And minus 2 times minus 4 is plus 8. Remember, it's the middle bit we need to tidy up. We still have the 15t squared, we still have the plus 8. In the centre, minus 12, minus 10. Number line, negative 12. Going down 10 places would take you to negative 22. And the final part is 3x minus 5 all squared. So, it means 3x minus 5 times 3x minus 5. The moment you rewrite it is the moment you hopefully avoided the mistake. Because you now have to expand the brackets carefully. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times minus 5 is minus 15x. Minus 5 times 3x is minus 15x. Minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25. As always, it's the middle bit we need to tidy up. So the 9x squared remains. The plus 25 remains. The middle is negative 15. Down by 15 takes you to negative 30x. And that would be your final answer if you were paying close attention.